beauties, welcome back. How are you? Today is going to be a fun pastel type of look, type of day. I just wanted to do a fun quick tutorial with you guys. You will see this, like all of it together at the end with the whole final look and how I created it. I used the Sugar Crystals palette by Voss to create the look today. And I had so much fun using this palette, you guys. I feel like I always have fun using this palette, and it always makes me feel pretty. It always makes me like feel inspired, and just like my creations with this palette for some reason just like pop out of my head, and it works. Like, it's good. And I just wanted to play with some pastels, a nice spring summer type of tutorial for you guys. You know, I've been wanting to do this for you guys. So today is the day that we play with this palette. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me comments down below if you have this palette in your collection. Have you been using it? What's your intake on it? Do you like it? I absolutely love it, and you'll see why with this look that I create. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get into this fun springy look. I'm excited. I hope it comes out the way I would like for it to come out. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these elf tapes on my eye, because I really want this look to be super like sharp and clean. So I'm just going to lay this down on my eye right there, just like so. And then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox primer, my 24-hour photo finish primer. I'm going to lay that all over my eye as usual, and I don't set it because I don't need to. Pretty much does all the work on its own. I love this stuff. I'm never going to give up on it, never. And nothing can ever beat it, in my opinion. From my experience using other eyeshadow primers, I always go back to this one. It never fails me. I did prep my skin already today, moisturize, all that good stuff. I'm going to do my eye look with you on camera, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face off of camera, and then come back and give you the final look with everything. So today we're going to play with, it's a throwback palette day. We're going to play with Sugar Crystals Violet Voss. This is the one that I told you I've been wanting to use for you guys. And it looks like this. This is the color story, and I absolutely love it because it's everything pastel that you need. Anything for like concerts, or like if everything was going on like carnival time, Coachella, all that stuff. It's that type of vibe. I love this. And if you think that all of these are the same, they are not. They come off very different. I'm going to, I really want to mix the purple with the mint, I'm thinking, and then the pear berry, which is this gorgeous coral orange color right here. So excited because I cleaned all of my brushes. While I'm doing my face, you guys, let's talk about makeup. First off, that Moira liquid lipstick that I bought, I absolutely fell in love with it. And for some reason, I can't find it. I have no idea where I placed it. Like, I've been looking for it for days. Like, it's ridiculous. Oh my goodness, I can't. I don't know what I did with it or where I put it at, but yeah, it's just not, it hasn't been good. I'm gonna use my Royal & Langnickel BMX 430 crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with a Jelly Bean, which is that gorgeous purple on the side. Now this is just gonna be very springy, you guys, very like spring pastel vibes. It's not gonna be something super saturated, super out there. We're just gonna have some fun with color today. It's gonna be really light, and I am all about it. I'm excited. I hope you guys can see everything good. I'm trying to do it in an angle where you could just see what I'm doing. I'm gonna focus the purple on the outside and bring it in halfway, and then I'm gonna do the mint from the inside halfway into where they meet in the middle. And then I think on the bottom lash, I'm going to do that pear berry, which I freaking love. And then we are going to maybe do like one of the yellows in the inner corner, or the mint. Let's see what comes out. And I am just really building that purple up. Do you not see how gorgeous this purple is? Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Love it. I'm also gonna, like, I want to do like a glittery wing, which is another reason why I laid down the tape, because this helps me get a really like a nice wing, but it's gonna be a glitter one from NYX. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna take another brush. Where's my blending brush? Where's my NYX brush? NYX 16, where are you, honey? Ah, here it goes. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX 16 and just blend it out a little bit. This has no additional products, and I'm just gonna get in there. Okay, so what are we thinking about the Urban? Like, literally, you guys, if you see this video, please leave me comments down below. I really want to know what you guys are thinking about this Urban Decay collaboration with Prince. A lot of people are not for it. They say that Urban Decay is not giving Prince like any justice doing this collaboration. They say that that would not be what Prince would want at all. I'm just going in again with back in with the brush that I used previously just to amp up the color. I love this color. It comes off a bit neon, which I love. It's just so pretty and so poppy. I'm not too worried about it getting on like my actual eye line, because it's just going to be covered with the glitter. I just want this to be like fun and pretty and colorful, and I'm definitely not gonna take this all the way up my eye. I just want it like halfway through and blown out. So yes, back to the Urban Decay collaboration. I will admit, I think it's pretty, but they could have gone a lot more bold and vibrant with a color, with a collaboration with Prince. Like, I'm in the middle of it. What do you guys think? Because I really want to try the setting powder. I love the brush, and I want to try the palette that's, I think, the purple one. I think it's in purple packaging. If you hear lawn mowing outside, I am so sorry. They just started out of nowhere. I don't know what they're doing. And then I'm going to go in with a Luxie brush. This is the 121 mini tapered brush to do my inner part. And I'm going to lay it down with, it's called Mint Choco. I got to kind of be careful because this one is like falling apart on me, and it's so pretty. But this one right here, I'm going to lay on the inside and then join it together and marry it with Jelly Bean. I'm going in with that Luxie 121 brush, and I'm going to go in Mint Choco. So yes, getting back to the Urban Decay Prince collaboration, what do you guys think? I am curious to see what you guys think. Like I was saying, I really want to just, I've never tried the Urban Decay setting powder before, so that would be, I would really like to try that. I want to get the brush and like the purple palette, but it's like when you look at the palettes, they don't look vibrant like Prince, like wham, like bam, in your face type of thing. They do look muted, and they look like they're not gonna be great on pigments. But I'm really hoping for the best, you guys, because I love me some Prince. He was a different type of soul, let me tell you, and a different type of talent, man. I'm just like, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I don't know, you guys. Let's see what happens. What else is coming? There's a lot of indie brands that are releasing some really nice stuff. I do definitely still want to try that new Kaleidos collection, that Flower Punk collection that came out. That palette is just beyond different. Super pretty, very nice. And I want to try their formulas. I want to try everything from Kaleidos. Betty Jean uses a lot of their stuff. And let me tell you, that company, for real, has got something going on there. And I want to try it. Definitely want to try it. So you see, you guys, it's going to be very light. These are pastel colors. They're not meant to be like super duper pigmented unless you use concealer. I'm not one to use concealer. I know a lot of makeup artists use it. They set it. They tend to make it work. On my sweaty lids, concealer just does not work for a long period of time, especially because concealer is made to conceal and hydrate skin in some form of way. It's not really meant to be used as like an eye primer, because it's a cream, and mixed with oily skin or sweaty eyelids, regardless if you set it or not, throughout the day, it's going to end up creasing, and that is just not going to be like my vibe. I'm not doing it. So let me blend this together. But some people, hey, listen, it's different for everyone. Some people make it work. On me, it doesn't work because I have sweaty eyelids. I used to use concealer back in the day, but it was only because of filming purposes. Like I wouldn't use it to go out and have my eye makeup last. Like it's just, it wasn't happening. But you could totally saturate this a lot more in many forms of way. But listen, this is a pastel. These are pastels and it is what it is. And I love these colors. They're very light and sweet and they just make me think of like sweet stuff. This is just so cute. So I'm just gonna blend this in together. It's coming out exactly how I wanted it to come out, which I'm happy about. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to take this Glitter Goals liquid liner. I absolutely love this from NYX. I think this is the only glitter liner that I actually use because I love it so much. I haven't come across another one from any other brand where I'm like, oh, I want to try that. And I really tend to use this like when I'm going to concerts and stuff like that. This is a brand new one because the last one I had, the last time I used it and then after that it dried out was for a New Kids on the Block concert, and that was like already a couple of years ago, so I had to toss it. I tend to use this stuff for like concerts and carnivals and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. They do have a gold one which I've used before and I absolutely love this stuff. It's so good. This is what the applicator looks like. It's very thin where you can get it precisely where you want it. I'm just gonna layer it down and then do the wing. It is so pretty, you guys. I absolutely love this stuff. So pretty. It's very cooling on the eye, but just make sure that if you ever decide to use this that you do not get it in your eye because it's not going to be safe. Just be very careful. Very careful. I'm just gonna lay it down just like a typical regular liner. Probably gonna go in for some more. That's one dip. Just be careful that you don't blink your eye too much because obviously it's wet and it has to dry, so just be careful. I'm not sure because I never looked for it, but I'm not sure if they have these in any other colors besides the silver and the gold. But this is definitely my go-to when I want some cool stuff on my eyes. So yeah, that's my thoughts. I want to know your thoughts on the whole Urban Decay Prince collaboration. Definitely interested, again, like I said, in that Kaleidos collection. What else is coming out? I'm kind of intrigued by Huda Beauty's, I think it's like the skincare bronzy type of stuff, but I don't use bronzer or anything of that nature. So it would be like pointless for me to try stuff like that because I don't use things like that. I still need to make a purchase from Lunar Beauty. I am dying to get that Eclipse palette. Oh my goodness. And his blush palette keeps selling out. I think he's restocking it like in the next couple of days or something, from what I can remember from his, what he mentioned on his Instagram page. He said that he was restocking it. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it. Look how cute. Just fun, springy pastel. I am going to go do the rest of my face off of camera and then repeat this on the other side, and yeah, and we'll bring the look all together. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I decided just to finish everything off of camera, and I absolutely love how this came out. It was just so fun, so pretty to create, you guys. And oh my gosh, I'm just like, am I back from what I used to do? Like, what's going on? I'm happy. Let me just finish telling you the details of the rest of the things that I used. I'm not gonna mention everything, but if you ever really want to know everything that I use on my face, just leave me comments down below and I'll start like putting them in my description box. I did finish off the bottom lower lash line with that color that I told you I was gonna use, Pear Berry, which is that gorgeous coral color. And then in my waterline, and just to enhance the color of that Pear Berry, I used the ColourPop Gobi liner to finish that off. And then I used the Sky High Maybelline mascara. You guys, I've been really liking this. Like, I love how it just separates my lashes and you can see all of them. On the inner corner and my eyebrow, under my eyebrow, I used Buttercream, which is the really like light yellow on the bottom. And then just to like give it a little like unicorny flair on the tip of my nose and my line, I used the color Sugar Crystals, which is this like iridescent bluish purple type of color. I absolutely love and adore it. Oh my gosh, I love how this came out. It was so much fun, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love I love this palette, you guys. I feel like anytime I use this palette, I just feel so pretty, and I'm always happy when I'm using this palette. So I'm glad that I did a look with it for you guys today. And then I did pair the Morphe Lilas lip, it's a lip crayon. I love these. I have a couple of them and I don't use them often, and I need to use them more. So I pretty much lined my lips with this, and then I meshed it with the Kylie Jenner, it's a matte finish Miami color, which is this color right here. So I meshed those two together, and they pretty much gave me a similar effect of what I had on my eyes, minus the mint choco color. So you guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, leave me comments down below on what you think about the new releases that are coming out. Let me know what you think about this look, because I am loving it. Oh my goodness, I had so much fun doing this look for you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe. Please be kind to one another, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.